Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You have the basics ready, so start now by confirming Minecraft Edition and voice mod compatibility. Open the game, check whether you're on Java or Bedrock, and verify the voice chat mod or plugin matches that version. Next, install the required platform mod loader, Fabric or Forge, following prompts, and place the voice chat mod JAR into the mods folder. Once done, launch Minecraft, watch the console for errors, and make sure you have Java updated to the required version before proceeding. Now configure voice settings so it actually works. Open the in-game voice settings, set your input device to the correct microphone, and adjust push-to-talk or voice activation thresholds to avoid clipping. On your OS, allow microphone access and disable exclusive control. If you're on a server, install the matching server-side plugin and enable ports or whitelists if needed. Once configured, test locally with a friend, monitor latency and packet loss, and make sure the server and client mod versions match to prevent handshaking failures. Finish by verifying network and firewall rules so voice packets flow. Forward the required UDP ports on your router, or enable UPnP and set server software to listen on the same port. Reboot both server and client if you changed network settings, then join with your friend and perform a quick sound check while watching logs. If you still have no audio, clear conflicting mods, reinstall the voice mod and use the built-in diagnostics. Check for mismatched versions or muted channels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.